starting on the driver's side door panel, there would normally be a plastic cap right here. If yours has it, go ahead and just use a small pick, something like this here, to go ahead and get underneath it and pop it out. Underneath, you're going to find a Phillips head screw. Remove that screw. Inside the door handle pull, there's going to be a little plastic button right here. Use your pick. Go ahead and pull that out. Go ahead and remove the Phillips head screw that's behind it. Inside the door handle pull is another Phillips head screw right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this here. We have a fourth screw right here on the side of the door panel. Go ahead and remove that one. Use a trim tool to remove this piece here. Ours happens to be just a little bit loose. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. Go ahead and set that aside. Using a plastic trim tool remover, I'm going to go ahead and get underneath the door panel. And we're going to gently pry it out and pull away to release the plastic retainer clips holding our door panel on. Once those are all released, go ahead and work the door panel in the upward position. Swinging this away. You want to reach down inside here and disconnect the connector to the window switch. Go ahead and use a small pick or a small flathead screwdriver. Press on this little tab right on the top center. Grab that connector and wiggle this out. Now go ahead and remove your door panel, set that aside. We'll now go ahead and remove this interior panel from the mirror. Just going to release our little plastic locking pin right here from the clip on the door. Go ahead and set that aside. We're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the two lower bolts here. These are 7mm, and we're going to loosen the top one. Peel back your water shield. There is a sticky adhesive here. You might want to use a razor blade carefully and just cut the adhesive. If you do accidentally cut the plastic, you can use duct tape or something like that to put it back together. The mirror connector is right here. You want to press on this little white tab right here. You want to go ahead and remove the harness. You can try using just your fingertip and wiggle this off. We're going to go ahead and remove this last screw from the mirror, and we'll pull the mirror off of the door. Go ahead and gently separate the door. You have your door foam right here. And pull your connector out. Insert the pigtail for the harness down inside the door. Insert the foam gasket and work the mirror back on. Go ahead and start the screws by hand on the inside. And go ahead and snug these down. Now, as you reach up inside the door, you want to make sure that you pull the harness out this way. There is a track right here, this black track for your glass. You want to make sure that you come in front of it, not behind it. Otherwise, when you raise up the glass, you're going to catch your connector and cause an issue. Once you have this lined up, just go ahead, press it together. You hear it snap. Now you can go ahead and reinstall your water shield. Install our mirror trim by inserting the post and the button here. Line that up. Install our harness connector here. Just line it up and hang our door panel on the upper sill plate here. Make sure it's down in position. And just go around the perimeter, pressing in on all the snaps. Install our trim piece right here. Line that up. Install our rearward mounted door panel screw. Install our lower screw in the cup. Install our screw in the door handle. And once that's tight, you can go ahead and snap over your little trim button there. Install our forward mounted panel screw. If your door panel has a little trim button there, go ahead and snap that on right there.